So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to change your background on Google Meet on your iOS devices. So let's get right into it. So first off, we launch our Gmeet application or our Gmail application where the Gmeet will be held. So first off, as you can see right here in my screen, I've already joined my Gmeet app meeting. So here my camera is already on, so I will show you the effects or the background perhaps. So first on we head to the sparkling button right here and we head on to backgrounds. And then when you see backgrounds, you can see a lot of options you can choose from, such as the beach. And as you can see right here, it's already trying to picture out if that's me in the background. So due to privacy concerns, I cannot show you my face or show you how this effect works on the backgrounds. So I'll just have to show you this speaker right in front of me. So you can choose from this mountainous range or whatever you want, or perhaps you want the home vibe. So there, you have a lot of options to choose from, and perhaps you can also use your own picture or video for your background. So let's just say you want to use this underwater background, and right there, that's how you use a background on your Gmeet using your iOS devices. And thank you for watching.